Konnichiwa. Today I will show you the three kinds of Japanese language. One is Hirangana, second is katakana, and the third is kanji. First of all, the Hirangana is a curvy look language which is very soft and gentle in impression. And the second katakana used to express foreign words, simple and straight look, cool and smart impression. And the third kanji is derived from China. Each letter has a meaning, unique and cool impression. Hope this video will help you to learn the Japanese language, the basic Japanese language. Thank you.